Hi, it's December 4th, and I'm just testing out my new camera I got, my GoPro 10. I'm just going to see how smooth it goes when I'm walking down this pathway here. It's a gorgeous, sunny, calm, but cool day out there. It's 0 the last I looked. So it's been better than the 18 we've been having the last few days there. And yesterday wasn't too bad either. It was about 0 for the high too. We're out in the forest. See my shadow. Sun is behind me right now. Yeah, first time I've been down this part of the forest there. Usually go on the other side there of the town there and go down there, but decided to do something different today. A lot more beautiful in the summertime out here with all the leaves on the trees, but right now we're December, and so it's typical winter out here where you lose all the leaves. There's a fairly well used walking path. I can see there's a lot of footprints in here, and I know in the summertime a lot of people come down here and use it there, and bikers, and I ride my bike down here quite a bit in the summer months. And the Sheep River is just over there. Mostly frozen over now. So I think I'm going to end this video and see how it turns out.